So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the US stock market here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom right to where it says Markets. So right in between Discover and Account, press on Markets. Now by default, it actually does come up for me as the US market. So the S&P 500 index, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, S&P/TSX, whatever the case may be. You can view all the markets right here. You can go ahead and view the most active stocks. Here in the US, you can go ahead and view the 1 day, the 5 day, the month of these selected markets. What you can also do is keep scrolling down to the top gainers, the top losers, the bonds, the currencies, whatever the case may be. You can view a whole bunch of different stuff right here through the US stock market. So once that is done, yeah, pretty straightforward. That is how to view the US stock market here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.